Polo pajamas, I think I made it. I showed my mom my first million. She damn near fainted. Someone tell me who said that. I'll be very, very impressed. You guys like that little spin I try to get the computer in? This will be the screenshot, I think, for the video. What do y'all think? But it is, what, 5 in the morning? 5 in the morning Pacific. I'm gonna get on stream by market open, so be prepared. I wanted to give you guys an update on what I said last night. You guys see, same pink shirt on, but big furry jacket to cover it up. But I thought it was interesting. Let's take a look. Here's Qualcomm, pre-market, what's going on. And 2, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. I don't really like whoring that out too much, but do it. It helps. We have new videos every day. But I think Qualcomm is watching my videos because literally they came out this morning saying that the NXP deal is dead. They said that the possibility of it getting revived is very, very minimal. They said, although, where is it? While we are grateful to learn the President Trump and President Xi's comments about Qualcomm's previously proposed acquisition of NXP, the deadline for that transaction has expired, which terminated the contemplated deal. The Qualcomm considers the matter closed. So, with that, I still think Qualcomm might buy somebody else, so that's something to look out for in the next coming months. However, Qualcomm's up a lot. It's still up a decent amount. That's probably with the market. I think when you look at it, given the relative strength too, it's been going up. So it's not bad. However, the next thing, the big play I think it's switching to this morning, which will be interesting. I like GM. It's a slow mover, but they're going up. They're reaching, 100-day highs. I think they could do a lot. But Trump tweeted this morning about auto tariffs. So that's going to be interesting to watch. The S&P's up. I still need to go look at China and all that stuff. I haven't really got to check it from the morning, but there's that gap up we were talking about from here. And again, though, this is what I was talking about. Some people were saying, oh, it's easy to get very, very hyped in the morning. People said, oh, it's going to go up, but this kind of looks like China. You don't want it to give this back, and that's what kind of I'm going to be looking for. The yuan strengthened heavily overnight, which was great. Let's see kind of where it is. So last night we were around here. It came down, so that's good. I think that, and that was the sign I was kind of looking for to see what happened with the markets. Yeah, so it could be, it's going to be an interesting day, so get ready. We might see something like this in the markets, gap up, come down, only to close slightly higher than where we are today, which I could see, and it depends on the news, what comes out, all that. But the pound is down 1/3%, which is interesting considering the dollar is down as well. So there's something still going on with that. Brexit seems to be the issue. Commodities, oil's still up 4%, so not too bad. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be watching for. All the other same plays are still in play. You can take a look at Starbucks and all the other stuff. Starbucks actually didn't go up too much, and some of these value ones, those are going to be the interesting plays, but these could be good right at open. So Starbucks didn't gap, which could be a play. And then too, you have to see how the market goes. McDonald's a little bit, but where's my baby? Boeing and Tesla. I want to watch those today, and then obviously our Facebooks and Apples. See, Boeing fucking killing it. And then Tesla, let's see where this bitch is at. 363, damn. So yeah, even that stuff we went over on, oh man, I would have been up $5 on those contracts. Just count, damn it. Oh no, I would have been up a lot more. So that was those lost, but it's gonna be fun today. Hopefully you guys are there, prepared. Come to the stream. I'm gonna be streaming on this account, so I'm going to be making a lot of moves on this account. I'll make some on here though, but if you guys come with questions, it'll be good. I'll be on by market open. At market open, I'm not going to be talking as much, simply just because, well, yeah, we're going to be in the zone trading. So there's a lot we got to catch up on with. Hopefully I see you guys there. Hopefully you guys are ready. I love you all. Peace.